Hello everyone and welcome to the announcement of NDTV's next big initiative. When you look around the world, university sports are huge. University sports are massive. They have passion, they have dedication, they build up loyalty. Young players out there competing for their colleges. It builds bonds between the viewers and their old colleges and their old alma mater. It enables people to look and identify as to who the superstars are of tomorrow. That's why whether you look at America, you look at Japan, you look at other countries, university sports are right up there. And then when you marry that with the religion that cricket is in India, what do you get? You get the Toyota University Cricket Championship, which is what we are here to announce. And we're going to be talking for some time in the next half an hour, 45 minutes about what exactly this concept is. 8 of the top university teams, they've been selected after 120 teams have played in the Rohit Baria Trophy. The top 8 teams are going to take each other on in a massive competition. But to take us through all of this, let me start by welcoming onto the stage our partners in this entire exercise. I'm going to begin by calling onto the stage Mr. Sandeep Singh, who is the DMD and the CEO at Toyota Kirloskar Motors. Sandeep, sir, you've been in a sense the person behind the NDTV Toyota Greenathon, so this is another exciting thing to welcome you for. Please do take your seat. I'd also like to invite Mr. Hidehisa Nage, who's the Executive Managing Coordinator Director at TKM, also to come and join us on the stage. And we would like to thank Toyota for the support in this entire exercise, without which, of course, it would not have been possible. Can I also invite onto the stage Mr. Venkatesh Kinney, who's the Senior VP at Coca-Cola India. Thank you so much. They are associate sponsors for this entire exercise. MRF, of course, is also joining us in this. Gives me great pleasure to welcome now Dr. S.N. Puri, who's the president of the AIU, which has been nurturing and building up university sports for a long time. Thank you so much, sir. And from NDTV, Dr. Pranoy Roy, chairperson of NDTV, and Mr. Narayan Rao, executive vice chairperson of NDTV. Can I please have you both on the stage as well? Now, before we start telling you what the TUCC or the Toyota University Cricket Championship is all about, we would like you to put your hands together right here. You can already see the noise. Someone's coming in now to join us. Someone who is the king. King Khan, please come in and join us. Can somebody allow him to walk in, please? We're going to have to clear the path so Shahrukh can actually get out here. Shahrukh, such a pleasure as always to have you with us.
I was only worried about your shoulder.
Shahrukh, it's absolutely fantastic to have you with us. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. We'll have more photographs a little later. Can we? We'll just take the photographs a little later. Shahrukh, university sports. It's been something close to your heart as well. Many people don't know you played a lot of sports.
Yes, if I could request all the photographers to sit down, please. Thank you. Thank you. I'll do the pictures in 2 minutes here. 2 minutes, Bedja, please. Thank you.
Sir, 2 minutes later. Okay, thank you. Yeah, Shahrukh, university sports have been something which is big for you as well, right?
Yeah, first of all, let me just thank everyone here on stage for starting this initiative. I'll take this opportunity first to thank NDTV. Thank you very much for doing this.
Thank you.
I will thank the BCCI. I will thank the AIU. I will thank the HRD, and there are enough small terms in it for young people to like OMG. So God bless for everyone coming together to do something like this. I think not just cricket. All this is going to be extended to all the sports that is possible, but somebody has to start somewhere. And I think university sports, I used to play in school, I used to play for the colleges, I've played for the university. And I truly believe, and I'd like to say this at this moment, that whatever I am today has been actually learned through sports at those levels, at the school level, at the university level. And I do feel if we need to promote sports in this country, even though we are starting with cricket and there will be a lot of questioning about that, I think it's important we start at the grassroots level, and nothing better than starting it at an All India university level. I think this is one of the finest initiatives apart from Marks for Sports that NDTV has, and if it's a part of that, I wish you all the best, and any aspect that I could be part of, just as a spokesperson, just as a pretty face, or just to come down and play for it, I'd only be too happy and feel very honored that you guys have called me here.